A system with helium-free MR operations can't produce excellent image quality. A big misconception about scanners with helium-free MR operations is that they wouldn't be as powerful as their helium-filled equivalents, but nothing could be further from the truth. Our Ingenia Ambition 1.5T with helium-free MR operations is impressively quick and produces equal or even higher resolution images than conventional MRI scanners. We've got our acceleration technique compressed sense to thank for that. Our Ingenia Ambition 1.5T with compressed sense produces up to 50% faster 2D and 3D scans, with virtually equal image quality for all anatomies. It can also achieve up to 60% higher resolution in the same scan time. So if you thought our helium-free MR operations would compromise on speed, patient comfort, or clinical confidence, think again. Forget about helium. Get ready for helium-free MR operations.